Alaikum. Hello, dear viewers and listeners. I hope you will be fine, happy, and healthy today. Today, we are going to begin in erection 5, and that is talking about headlines. Here in the instruction, they have said that walk with the partner mean दो group बनाकर practice कर लो. Each student should read the headline in the English newspaper. इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर में हर एक तालिब इल्म एक हेडलाइन पढ़े. इफ़ यू डोंट हैव एन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज न्यूज़पेपर, look at the local paper and comment in English on the headline. Then then exchange newspaper and talk about them. Here are some suggestions to help you start your conversation. कुछ तजावीज़ है जो आपके बहस मुबाहिस से शुरू करने में आपकी मदद कर लेंगे. तो वो हमने यहाँ लिखे हैं. ये तजावीज़ है. जब हम किसी भी न्यूज़पेपर हेडलाइन पर बहस शुरू करते हैं तो हम कैसे कहेंगे? स्टूडेंट ए, हे डिड यू सी दिस हेडलाइन? इट सेज, क्या तुमने ये हेडलाइन देखा? इट सेज ये कहता है. सपोज इट सेज प्लेन क्रैशेस पायलट ओके, कि जहाज ने क्रैश किया, टक्कर खाया, लेकिन पायलट ओके है. यहाँ प्लेन क्रैशेस प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस है. In the previous lecture we discussed that when the headline are in present indefinite tense, the discussion is about the past. So student, for example, hey, did you see this headline? It says plane crashes, pilot okay. So B will say what? Oh yeah, I saw that story. It's about the plane crash. Yesterday a plane crashed in India, and in there the plane destroyed in this crash, but the pilot was okay, and he was taken to the hospital where the observation told, his physical observation told that he is okay and he is out of danger, right? So the discussion is about the past, that yesterday there was a plane crash in India, and that plane crash, the pilot was okay, is okay not, but was okay. He was taken to the hospital, he was examined in the hospital, but he was sound, safe and sound. So he was माजी के बात हमने बयान किए, क्योंकि when the headline are in present indefinite tense, the whole article is about the past. That is the rule regulation of headline. Similarly, we can also begin a discussion about a headline of a newspaper in this way. What does it say? Say, God, say this is interesting. There's an article about about a Prince of England to marry a movie star. Prince of England to movie or doctor. Prince of England or Prince of Pakistan to marry a scientist, to marry a scholar, or any kind of sentence you can say over here. सो यही भी टू मेरी यहाँ आया है. टू मेरी, जब टू प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म हो, इन्फिनिटिव फॉर्म हो, सो सच हेडलाइन टेल अस दैट द इवेंट विल टेक प्लेस इन द फ्यूचर. The discussion will be about the future. The article will be about the future, it tell us. Prince of England to marry a movie star. So B will say what? Really? I didn't see that one. Good. It says that the Prince of England, Mr. William, will marry a movie star. The engagement ceremony will take place next week, and the marriage will take place next month. And in this way you will talk about the future. Will take place, will आएगा, क्योंकि जब टू प्लस वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म आ जाए, सो सच अ काइंड ऑफ हेडलाइन टेल दैट द डिस्कशन इज अबाउट द पास्ट, द फ्यूचर, अबाउट द फ्यूचर. एंड व्हाट अबाउट द थर्ड हेडलाइन? हेडलाइन मोर स्टूडेंट ट्रेवलिंग टू चाइना. गुड. ये हेडलाइन यही है कि मोर स्टूडेंट्स ट्रेवलिंग टू चाइना. तो हमने ये भी पढ़ा है कि when the headline is in the ing form, present participle form, so the discussion is about day-to-day activities, present activities. So here this will also show about the present activity. So B will say, now that's, yeah, what will B say? Now that's interesting. What does the article say? Good. So it says that nowadays more of the students are traveling to China to get their education. Some of them are going to get education in the medical field. Some of them are getting education in the engineering field. Some student goes there on scholarship for PhD and MPhil and PhD level as well. So the whole discussion is about in this way then you will talk, because nowadays the students are traveling there. So when the headline is an ing form, the discussion will be about the day to day or present happening. So these are the newspaper headline, and you can talk about them. Let's begin once again. You should ask me about the headline. Hey, did you say this headline? Pilot. Okay. Yeah, I saw. Oh yeah, I saw that story. It's about a plane crash. Yesterday, a plane crashed in India, and as a result of this crash, the plane was destroyed, but the pilot was okay. He was taken to the hospital, but after the medical checkup, it was found that the pilot was okay. He used the parachute and saved his life in this way, and saved his life in this way. Yeah, next one. Yeah, yeah. God, really, I didn't see that one. What does it say? It says that the Prince of England will marry a movie star. Will marry a movie star next month, next year, or you can talk about next week. Yeah, now the third one. Here's an interesting headline: more students traveling to China. Now that's interesting. What does the article say? It says that nowadays the tendency of the student changed, and most of them are traveling to China nowadays. Some of them are doing there to do their PhD and MPhil. Some of them are going for medical and engineering, etc. But the whole discussion will be in the present tense, and we can talk about the headline in this way, right? So try, dear viewers and listeners, to read it again and again in order to learn the how to use headline. You should use a newspaper as well, and from the newspaper headline, you should come to know that whether the article will be about the present, past, or future. And as you know that this is activity number 226, I think. So before that we have recorded 225 activities from level 1, level 2, level 3. This is level 3, a little bit higher level. So if it is your first video, you should try to watch the videos from a proper sequence. I have given them a number to the videos: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and beginner classes are also there. Grammar we have also uploaded, tenses, active, passive, direct and indirect, everything we have done. So if you are new and this is your first video, so it will be a little bit difficult for you, but before that you should try to watch from the beginning. Thank you so much. Khuda Hafiz.